Hi everyone, welcome to Acupointitout. I'm Sinampoa from Acupointitout, of course. In this video, I'm going to talk about when you have a cold, a flu, or maybe COVID, the symptoms. Normally, that one of the symptoms will be sore throat or itchiness on the throat with coughing, right? So we have made a lot of 1-minute videos in the past on YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram that show you how to do the point of lung meridian. So today in this video, I'm going to show you some tips for sore throat, lung, improve your lung function, which is it will actually sort up your coughing, reduce the symptoms of coughing, lungs over here, right? So the lung meridian. Once you have a cold, a flu, it'll take your lung, right? And we have lung meridian. You can press or tap over there on your arm, and to help the lung function better. And first, I'm going to show you how to locate the point, the lung meridian. So this is the thumb, going from the thumb down to the wrist over here. So make a point over here. Then your elbow, just bend your elbow a little bit. Then use your finger and point it over here. You'll be able to feel a tendons over here. So on the side of the tendon, the thumb side of your tendon, then there's one point over here. So you connect from this point to that point, you see? So this line is what we call lung meridian or lung channel, right? The lung channel, it's actually from here to here and here. So we have lung channel here and lung channel over here, and go into connect to your lung. Then what you need to do you just need to stimulate the forearm. Use your 4 fingers, just tap. And just keep tapping. Repeatedly continue and tap. And as you tap, and what happened now is you can see that a bit of redness coming up. Red over here. That's what you need it happen, right? Tap it until it's red. Keep going, keep going. If you see a redness in here, not so much over here, and tap over here. Alternative, you want to do it, it's all red. You tap until they're all red. Alternative, you can use your fingers, your thumb, or this device, and press and rub from here to here. If you hit any sensitive point, and just keep it there, press and rub, and count to 10 for 3 sets. Right? Like at the moment, for me, this is more sensitive. I do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release. And again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release. And again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's it. And I move to the next point and check. Nothing. A little bit in here. So I do repeat 3 sets of 10 over here. So there's 2 techniques over there for you. Now, what about sore throat? Common. By doing this, it can help the coughing, bring the lung function better. But sore throat, this conditions, you use over here, from here to here. Use your thumb or the device. Press and rub, press and rub, press and rub from here to here. You know, you might want to press a bit harder I can feel this is tender over here. So if that tender, I'm gonna press 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and release. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and release. All right, 3 set of 10. Right. So I just got one point over here, and maybe other point over here. That one is sensitive too, so I'm gonna do it in here too. Let's see over here. That's sensitive too. Nothing in here. Not much in here. A little bit in here. So I'm gonna do it in here, here, and here. Any sensitive point that you can find, please do it. And if you do this on this line and you feel much better, just keep going. If it doesn't work so well, 2 more finger from here to here. So which means you go for 1 more line, this level from here to here, and another level from here to here. It'll sort up even better. Right? So 1 for lung, for coughing over here, 1 for sore throat. Now there's another one, fever, especially for kids. Right? You're so worried, fever. And how do you do for fever? It's so simple. I don't have that thing. Over the neck over here. Right? This is 大椎 point. Very, very good for fever. And we normally do a bit of bloodletting over here. And also we do guasa over here. For you, like you can simply just tapping over here. So just tap until all get red over here. So what do you do? So just tap it over here. Just like how you tap over here. Just be gentle. You don't have to tap it very hard. When you tap for a certain time, 1 minute, 2 minutes, and it get red. Just tap it like this. So simple, so simple. For kids especially, you need to be very, very gentle. And for adult, you can do a bit harder. That's okay too. So okay, this video we cover for coughing, sore throat, and fever. And those 3 conditions are very common with cold, flu, even COVID. Right? Stay awesome. If you need any help, this is a Q&A. So every Friday Q&A, go to our Facebook and ask the question, and I'll do live for you. Now, for the rest of you, if you watch this video and you need to sign up our platform for Learn Acupointitout for all sort of conditions, right? We give you 3 strategy, and every Friday we give you a live Q&A. So the link is down there, and go ahead and click and sign up. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.